Hello, creative friends. Tomorrow, July 6th, is a big day. There are 4 things that I want to tell you about quickly that are going to kick off tomorrow. The first one is bonus days, and I'm really excited about this. During bonus days, which starts tomorrow, July 6th, and runs until the end of the month, July 31st, for every product order of $50, you will get a $5 coupon. So when you place your order for $50 in products, Stampin' Up! Is then going to email you a coupon for $5. Now, the fantastic news is there's no limit to the number of coupons that you can earn this month. So make your list if you don't already have one and get ready to start ordering tomorrow, July 6th, and earn those coupons. Then during the month of August 1st through the 31st, you will be able to redeem all those coupon codes. So that's very exciting. Number 2, tomorrow is the launch of some new online exclusive products. Now, these products are only available online. That's the only place you can see them. They will never be in a catalog. So you'll want to be ready to log on tomorrow, check out those online exclusives. There is some holiday stuff, some Christmas stuff in there, but you'll want to take advantage of that because the online exclusives, they are only as long as supplies last. So we don't know if they'll last for 2 weeks or 2 months. We have no way of knowing. So make sure you take a look at those. And if you see something you really want, you want to order that right away. The third thing is clearance rack. Easy for me to say, right? Clearance rack update. So tomorrow, the clearance rack is going to be updated. That means they're going to add some things to the clearance rack. Those are great discounted products that are discontinued. So I know that I always get excited when there's a clearance rack update because I know I can get some things that I love at a discount. So that update is tomorrow, so be ready to log in and check that out. And then the last thing, number 4, is for all you Paper Pumpkin subscribers. There's going to be a sale tomorrow the 6th and the next day the 7th. It's only 2 days, a 2-day sale on past Paper Pumpkin kits, past kit refills, and past add-ons. So some of those things are going to be discounted up to 50% off. So if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you want to take advantage of those specials the next 2 days. Okay, that's all I have for you right now. Keep watching this page because I'll be doing lots of posts about these to give you reminders and more information. As always, if you have any questions or you need help with something, please reach out to me. You can send me a private message or leave me a comment and I will get back to you. All right, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get a good night's sleep because tomorrow is a big day indeed. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.